Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. In today's video, we are going to revise lesson number 1, plants, the producers. We are going to revise this lesson for the preparation of periodic assessment 1. Okay, you have to prepare for the exam from lesson number 1 and 2. So in this video, we will revise lesson number 1. It's the complete textbook part. The concept, explanation, everything we will try to cover. So watch the video and prepare for your exam. So as food is essential for us to live, we human beings, we are living things, we need food and water to grow. So most of the food we eat comes from plants. But plants are also living things. They too need food to live. But where do plants get their food from? From where plants get their food? So here we have studied green plants make their own food. So they are called producers. Producers means makers. They make their own food. Okay. It is the leaves that make food for the plants. So as we are saying that plants prepare food for them. So at which place they prepare the food? So the leaves are the main parts where the food prepares. Okay. So green plants are called producers because they prepare their food. So in the leaves actually the food prepared. So leaves are called kitchen of the plant or food factory. Leaves are called kitchen of the plant or food factory. Okay. So most of the leaves color will be green. Most of the leaves are green in color because of the presence of a green substance called chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, the leaf color will be green. Most of the leaves are green in color because of the green substance called chlorophyll. Remember, I am repeating these terms again and again. Okay, so learn these terms with spellings, correct spellings. Chlorophyll helps plants to make their food. Because of chlorophyll, the color of the leaf is green, and chlorophyll helps the plants to make food. Okay. So now we will see how these leaves prepare food for a plant, and before that we have to see the parts of a leaf. So in this diagram you can see the main parts. So when you observe a leaf carefully, you can see the first this part, leaf stalk, okay, from where it is joined, attached to the stem, branch. Okay, so this thick line which you can see at the middle of the leaf, that is called midrib. That is called midrib. And the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. And beside or right and left of midrib, you can see very small veins. They are called side veins. And this broad part of a leaf is called lamina. Broad part of a leaf is called lamina. This central thick line, midrib. Tip of the leaf, leaf apex. And this side veins are side vein. And this where the leaf is attached to the branches, that is leaf stalk. When we observe leaf under the magnifying glass, we can see very small holes on the surface of the leaf. Okay. These holes are called stomata. Okay. These tiny holes are stomata. So they take in air. They absorb the air through the holes, stomata. Okay. So leaves breathe in through the stomata. Remember. So now we will see preparation of food. Okay. So preparation of food in the plant, the food making process in the plant is called photosynthesis. Okay. The food making process in the plant is called photosynthesis, that we will see in detail. So as we have said that leaves are the kitchen of the plant, leaves are called food factory of the plant. Okay. So how they prepare food? Let's see. So as we are saying that the leaves are the kitchen of the plant. So for preparing food, all the ingredients they need in the leaves. So for preparing the food, first is leaves should be the chlorophyll which is present in the leaves. It traps the sunlight. So this photosynthesis process takes place in the presence of sunlight only. When we are saying photosynthesis, photo means light, synthesis means making or preparing. Okay, so in the presence of light, in the presence of sunlight. When plants prepare their food, that process is called photosynthesis. So the sunlight is essential. Sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll which is present in the leaves. Then these stomata which are present on the surface of the leaves, they take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and water and minerals are absorbed by the roots from the soil. Okay, so when these all things reach to the leaves, they prepare food for a plant, and after preparing the food, they store it in the form of starch. Okay, so next we will see food storage in plants. As we have seen, plants prepare their food in their plant body. So after preparing the food, after using up by the plant body, the extra food they store in sometimes in the leaves or in the stem or in the root or in the fruit. Okay, so we will see the examples where the plants store their food. They store in the roots, in the stem, in the leaves, okay, in the fruit. Okay, so first example we will see roots that store food. Some plants store their food in the roots. So examples are carrots, radish and turnip. Some plants store their food in the stems. So stems example are sugarcane, lotus stem and potatoes. Plants which store their food in the leaves are fenugreek, spinach and cabbage. Plants that store their food in the fruits are mango, papaya, apple. And seeds and grains, chickpeas, lentils, wheat, rice, millet and corn. Okay, these are the seeds. Okay, these are the seeds where plants store their food. So here we have seen the all the leaves are not green. Some leaves are brown or yellow and dark red in color. So as we have studied that because of the presence of chlorophyll, the color of the leaf will be green. But why the color of these plants are different? Why they are brown and red? Chlorophyll will be present in them also, but in the less quantity. That's why their color is not totally green. So next topic is give and take between plants and animals. As you know that we human beings, we breathe in oxygen to survive and we release carbon dioxide. But plants take in carbon dioxide for preparing food and they release oxygen. So the released oxygen by the plants, it will be taken by human beings and animals, and the carbon dioxide which we release, it will be taken up by the plants. So this is how this cycle, this balance is maintained in the atmosphere, give and take between the plants and animals. Okay, so let's see some textbook exercises. Okay, when dash is added to starch, it turns blue-black. If we want to check the presence of starch in a plant, in a leaf or stem or root, we need to add iodine solution in that. When we add iodine solution to a part of a plant, if starch is present, its color will turn into blue-black. So here correct answer is iodine. Next question, carrot and turnip are, we have studied, they are root. Potato is an underground stem. In cactus, photosynthesis takes place in the green stem. Cactus plant which is found in the deserts, here because of the shortage of water, green stem perform the process of photosynthesis. Plants and animals help maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature. Okay, so you need to see the word bank also for the definitions. Here, stomata, tiny holes on the surface of a leaf. What is photosynthesis? The food making process in the green plants which takes place. The process by which green plants prepare food from carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight. And photosynthesis is a food making process, okay, by the green plants. Next is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance because of which the color of the leaves will be green. So here are some more fill in the blanks. Okay, the green substance that helps leaves trap energy from sunlight is chlorophyll. The broad flat part of a leaf is lamina. It is called the kitchen of a plant, that is leaf. Leaf is called kitchen of the plant. Tiny holes on leaf through which plants breathe, that is stomata. Here, thin tube-like structures on leaf are called veins. The process by which plants make their food, photosynthesis. The liquid used for testing the presence of starch is iodine. Okay, complete your textbook exercises by seeing this video and prepare well. Here are select the correct option. Which of the following make their own food? Animals, human beings, green plants, birds. Correct answer is green plants. Which part of a plant usually makes food for it? Leaf, root, flower, fruit. Which part makes the food? Leaf. The broad, flat part of a leaf is called lamina. Which of the following are essential for green plants to make their food? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, all of these things they require. So our answer is all of this. Dash is the stem that we eat. Carrot, it is root. Radish, root. Sugarcane is stem and turnip is also root. So correct answer is stem is sugarcane. Fenugreek, spinach and coriander they are leaves, remember. Which of the following gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen gas is released. On the next page, the complete photosynthesis process is given. So read it carefully and solve it. Okay? Okay, children. In the next video, we will revise lesson number 2. So all of you go through this video and prepare well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.